Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking your exercise 6.3, problem number 7. Let's start. The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for a Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Now we do not know the number of students in the class, and they have donated the equal amount as the number of students, so is the amount. Getting my point? So we do not know the number of students. So I will write here, let the number of students be x. And as it is said that each student has donated as many rupees as the number of students, so I will say each student donated rupees x. Getting my point? So if there are the total contribution I can say is x, that is the number of students, into x, that is the amount they have donated, so that will be x square. But the total donation received is 2401. So can I say x square is equal to 2401? So now by square rooting both sides, I will get under root x square is equal to under root 2401. अंडर एक्स स्क्वायर का रूट होता है एक्स और आपको 2401 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. सो विल गो विद द टेबल ऑफ 7. विल गेट 343. अगेन 7 विल गेट 49. अगेन 7. सो लाइक दिस यू विल नोटिस दैट वी गॉट x is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 under root. Now this is forming pair, so 7 will be free and this 7 will be free. So my final answer is 49. Your next problem says 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Again the similar problem, we do not know the number of rows, so we will write it, let the number of rows be x, and we do not know the number of plants in each rows, but they are equal, so we will write let the number of plants also be x in each row be x. And now so the total number of plants will be x into x, that is x square, but here the total plants given is 2025. So now this square will go into this side and will become root of 2025. By prime factorization, my dear kids, get the prime factors of 2025 and you will get x is equal to under root. When I am taking factors, I will get 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5. So you can see they are all in pairs, so I can just move them out. 3 will be out, again this 3 will be out, and this 5 will be out. You can multiply them and you will get the final answer. Clear? My next problem is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers 4, 9, 10. The smallest square number. For that you have to first take the LCM of the three numbers given. So LCM of 4, 9, 10. Do you know how to make an LCM? So we'll go for 2, 2 and then 9 and 5. Getting my point? And then 2, 9, 5, they don't go in common, so that will be something like this. Okay, so you will get 2 into 2 into 9 into 5. So that will be the LCM. Got my point clear? So can we say the LCM is 2 to the 4? Okay. 20 into 9, that is 180. So I got LCM as 180. Okay. Now in 180, now you have to make factors of 180, and you will find that factors of 180 are, okay, I'll go for 2, 90, 2, 45, 5, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So the factors of 180, if I keep 180 into under root square root if I'll keep, so I'll get factors 2, 2, 5, 3, 3. Out of that you can see 2 has a pair and 3 has a pair, but 5 is not having pair. It cannot be paired. So what we will do is we can multiply 180 by this 5, so that we, by one more 5, so that we get a pair of 5 also. So that's the reason it is said that now which is the smallest square number. So you can write the smallest square number is 5. Getting my point clear? Are you getting my point? So first I took the LCM. Once I got the LCM, I took the prime factors of that LCM, and I found that that LCM 180, we cannot find the square root of 180 because 5 inside is alone. So to pair it, I will multiply this by 5. So you can say the smallest square number required to be divisible by these three numbers is 5. Next we have find the smallest square number that is divisible by 8, 15, 20. It is very similar problem. So you have to first find the LCM of 8, 15, 20. Once you got the LCM, I guess you will get LCM as 120. Once you got 120, find the factors of 120 and see whether it is a perfect square or not. If it is not the perfect square, then there will be some smallest number which you have to multiply to make it a perfect square, and that smallest number will be your answer. Next we have find the perfect square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Now how to go for division method? We have to first take our number 2, 3, 0, 4, and this is a division method, so we have to put something like this. Got my point? Now you have to pair your numbers from backside as 2, 2. वंस यू पेयर योर नंबर्स, अब ये देखना है कि आपका जो 23, जो फर्स्ट नंबर है 23, जो फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ नंबर है 23, ये कुछ ऐसी टेबल में आए कि इट इज़ वी कैन टेक इट एज लाइक 23 एक स्क्वायर नंबर में आ जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम टेकिंग 2 इंटू 2 दैट इज़ 4, सो वो 23 से बहुत छोटा है. 3 इंटू 3 आई एम टेकिंग दैट इज़ 9. 4 into 4 I am taking, that is 16, and 5 into 5 I am taking, that is 25. So I cannot take 5 into 5 because it is greater than 23. So you have to take square numbers, and you cannot take 4 and 9 because they are far less than 23. So which is the nearest to it? It is 4. So I will take 4. 4s are 16. Okay. और जिस नंबर के साथ मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर रही हूँ ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, उसी नंबर को आपको ऐड करना है. Got my point clear? Here normal subtraction, 23 minus 16, that is 7. And now together 0 and 4, because they are formed in one pair, so they have to be taken together down. Okay. Here you will add 4 and 4, that will be 8. Now my dear kids, 8 के साथ ऐसा कोई digit लगाना है कि उसी digit से अगर multiply किया तो you should get 704 or less than that. If you will get 704, that means remainder will be 0, and hence it is a perfect square. कोई नंबर का बराबर से अगर आपका स्क्वायर रूट निकल रहा है, रिमाइंडर 0 है, तो दैट नंबर इज हैज़ अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट. इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ऑफ सम नंबर. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो 8 के साथ ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लगाऊं कि मैं उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो मेरे पास 704 आए. आप लास्ट डिजिट देखो, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो कैन आई गो विथ 2? इफ आई एम टेकिंग 2 एज अ डिजिट विथ 8, so I have to multiply with 2 only. 82 into 82 will not be 704. So forget. Then can I go for 88 into 8? So 8 8s are 64, and you will notice that you are getting 88 into 8 as 704. Getting my point clear? So what I did, the main important point is कि आप जो नीचे आपका जैसे 4 + 4, आई जस्ट मार्क विथ रेड सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। यहाँ पे 4 and 4 आपने ऐड किया तो आपके पास 8 आया। 8 के साथ आपको ऐसा कोई डिजिट लगाना है और उसी डिजिट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू गेट विथ योर फाइनल नंबर, दैट इज 704 हियर इन दिस केस। तो आपने 8 के साथ क्या लगाया, तो मैंने 8 के साथ 8 लगाया, 8 नंबर के साथ 8 डिजिट के साथ एक और 8 लगाया एंड आई मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 8 ओनली। सो आई गॉट 88 into 8 दैट इज 704। और जिसके साथ मैंने कहा मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मैं उसी के साथ ऐड भी करूंगी, तो 88 + 8 96। गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो माई आंसर इज 48। परफेक्ट। आई टेक वन मोर। ओके, 4489। आई टेक अ फ्रेश पेज. So that is 4489. Again, as I said you have to form pairs. After forming pairs, you have to check which two numbers will multiply. Same numbers will multiply and will give you 44 or less than that. So I'll go for 6 and 6. That will give me 36. Because if I go for 7 and 7, that will be 49. That will be far greater than 44. So I'll prefer to go for 6 and 6. एंड एज आई सेड यू जिसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपको उसी को ऐड करके रखना है, तो आई गॉट 12, 6 + 6 12। और राइट हैंड साइड में जैसे आप नॉर्मल डिवीजन करते हैं, जैसे 44 - 36 आई गॉट 8। नाउ आई हैव टू टेक दिस 8 and 9 टुगेदर डाउन, सो आई गॉट 89 डाउन, 889। ओके, 12 के साथ आपको एक और डिजिट लगाना है और उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू गेट विथ 889। सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज 12 के साथ मैं ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लगाऊं कि मेरे पास यहाँ पे 889 आएगा। अब 9 अगर आप देख रहे हो तो आप कोशिश करोगे कि यहाँ पे 3 और 3 डाल दें, गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, बट 3 और 3 से आपका नहीं आएगा। सो व्हाट यू विल डू, आप 12 के साथ गिव अ ट्राई फॉर 7। इफ आई एम टेकिंग 7 डिजिट आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 7 ओनली। सो 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, that will be 18, 7 1s are 8 and 8. So that will be 889 when you're taking 7 as a digit and you're multiplying with 7. ठीक है, और जिस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में उसी को ऐड भी करना है। Getting my point? Now 889 minus 889, that will be 0. So you notice that square root of 4489 is 67. Got my point clear? You'll give a try for this? Okay, God bless.